How do you build a bridge? Who builds a bridge? Who decides what they look like? Who chooses what they are built from? Who extracts the raw materials and processes them into building supplies? Who transports those materials, the workers and the portaloos? Who pours the concrete and welds the steel? Who makes sure everyone is safe, on budget and on schedule? What about the animals, the environment? Who looks after them? And after the bridge is built, who takes care of it for years to come? From wee bridges to big bridges, it takes a whole range of different skills to get the job done.